tired of this. I'm sick and tired of like the lies and the games. I'm going to tell you my side of the story, and you're his friend, so I expect you to stay loyal to him, but at least you'll know the truth, because I'm not a liar. Deanna, the girl he was running around with, I knew her 20 years ago. She was my sister's friend. My sister and all of their friends cut her off because they said she was crazy. She went to school for emotionally disturbed people, but she was 14, 15 years old at the time. This was 20 years ago. So when she hit me up on Facebook, I figured people change. You know, maybe she matured. I don't know. I didn't really know what was wrong with her back then. A couple months into our friendship, or renewed friendship, I realized there was something wrong with her. She was very promiscuous. She was always sleeping around with different men on the first night, and then crying when they dumped her. And then she would start stalking, harassing them, and calling their jobs and doing these types of things. So Jared told me that he would fuck her because I'm not having sex with him. And I said, well, you know what? I get that, but if you do that, you're going to have a problem. She was fucking around with some Chinese doctor, Yale graduate, who is a medical resident, and she started spreading rumors at his job that he raped her. The girl had serious mental problems. Then I became friends with some friends that she had and found out that the bitch had herpes. So now there were two reasons that I had to tell Jared to stay away from her. I was trying to cut her off and get away from her. She got angry about that. I had new friends. I stopped calling her. I was not really spending time with her. She got jealous. She wanted to get even with me, and she used Jared to do that. Was she ever going to fuck him? I don't know. Maybe to give him the disease maliciously like she does to other men, thinking that he lives in my house and maybe I'd get it too. Or she was just going to suck him for information about me and tell him my business to start trouble, which is what I really think she was trying to do. My friend who's a porn producer told me that herpes lived in this message to